Good day everyone, I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have a quick unboxing of some beauties that I caught on one of the I Love Dooney sales, not sure which one. But we are going to go ahead and take a look and see what we got. So this first cutie here is in red. I'm going to just take them out the box and move the box out of the way. Okay, so the first one we have a red baguette. And it is in Florentine leather. I'm just trying to see which to open it. And these, I believe they're currently still on sale. Not sure when I'll upload this video. But they're marked down. They've been marked down for a while on the I Love Dooney website. So these were a couple colors that were remaining that I went ahead and grabbed. And I always love red in the Florentine leather. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so red baguette. This is number 42 out of 100, and this was a ship or date of June 13th, 2024. And that is the code for it if you would like to know. So y'all, let's take a look at it and see how it looks. And I'll actually in this video get to go ahead and compare the shoulder bag to the baguette and see if there's a difference or not. But the leather looks good, just looking at it closely here. A slight scratch there. I'm sure if I keep bothering it, it will rub out. It does have feet. And this is the hang tag for it. Same code from the label that was inside. The strap is also in the red Florentine as well. I don't think I'm going to cut that off for now until I carry it. But let's take a look inside. If you all are watching this video, for my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for returning and watching another one of my videos. And to the new subscribers, welcome and thank you for subscribing and watching as well. Excuse me, if you are not subscribed, and you feel like you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Alright, so the interior of this bag, it is similar to the shoulder bag as well. So it has a slip pocket with the trim that matches, the leather trim matches the exterior. Registration card and sticker inside. And then on the front side of the bag, another slip pocket. It does have a key keeper as well with the leather tip or trim that matches the exterior. And this one does have the Dooney Bourke authentication label inside as well. And that's really it for the baguette. And it does have the leather Dooney Bourke patch here on the front. And I will go ahead and open the second color. Okay, and this color is in the color natural. If you all saw my previous video for the French blue pebble green baguette that I have, then you will know that one of my favorite things to do with this size bag, not only is it a very nice shoulder bag carry, but I can easily add a crossbody strap to this to accessorize it and carry it as a crossbody. And then of course with the crossbody strap, with it being adjustable, I can also use it as a shoulder strap as well, just to be a little bit, it would fall a little bit longer than the shoulder strap that comes on the bag. So still leaving the strap attached that comes with it, but just adding an extra or additional shoulder strap to accessorize it and make it a crossbody bag as well. So again, as you see, this is in the color natural. This is 186 out of 204 with a shipboard date of June 13th, 2024. The color natural Baguette, and that's the code for it if you are interested. Did it have the same? Yeah, it has the same ship or date, but I guess it was made in 2 different batches because the red was 42 out of 100. Well, of course, it's different batches. It's different colors. And then they made 204 of the naturals. So, same setup, you all. This one has the feet, the leather patch on the front, a close-up of the natural Florentine leather. If I upload this one this month, it will include the hashtag for Natural November. And I will also tag Simply D so that you all can check out her natural handbag collection on her channel, as well as all of the natural bags included with the Natural November hashtag. Strap, the same color as the rest of the bag. And here's the hang tag for it. And we can take a look inside. Same setup is going to be inside as well. Just like I mentioned, the leather trim is going to match the exterior leather that's around the slip pockets. So same inside, just a different color, you all. It does have the key keeper and that authentication labels off in there as well. So I'm going to put these two side by side so you can see some differences when you get a different color. And then I'm also going to compare it to the shoulder bag that I have in Saffiano so that you can see some differences in the shoulder bag versus the Baguette. So one difference in between these two, let me turn them around the same way, is that with the natural, the zipper is more of that Bordeaux or cranberry color zipper, and then with the darker color with the red, you get this zipper. It doesn't quite look black. It may look black on camera, but I believe it's the brown Timaro color. It's a very dark brown zipper on that one. Everything else is really the same. So just the major differences between the colors, I would just say, are the zippers. The stitching's the same color. Yeah, everything else is the same. But let me go ahead and compare these to the shoulder bags so that you all can see the difference there. And in a previous video, I unboxed, I believe it was actually included in the haul, a Dooney Bourke haul, this shoulder bag. And this is the Saffiano shoulder bag in the color black. So you'd see it says shoulder bag. These are baguettes. So we're going to just do a side by side to see if there's a huge difference. So right away I see the zipper pull and has a a tassel on the shoulder bag, and then just a leather pull tab on the baguette. So that's a difference. It does have additional corners, additional leather on the corner, so that's the difference. The stitching here is also different as well. And I believe for the shoulder bag, the same details in the stitching and design carries over regardless of the leather or if it's a coated canvas. I believe it's the same design. Okay, so let's see a difference in the feet. The shoulder bag here on the right has the patches that are under each set of feet. And then on the baguette, it does not have that here on the Florentine one. So that's a difference there. And then on the back side, the baguette does not have a back zipper, but the shoulder bag does have a back zipper. So you get a back zipper and a tassel pull tab, and you get additional leather coverage on the corners and feet with the shoulder bag versus the baguette. But to me, they look like they're the same size. And of course, with the Florentine leather, you have the leather logo patch there versus the Saffiano and some pebble grain. Well, in this particular case, this is Saffiano. It has the metal Dooney Bourke plate there. So let's do a comparison, stack comparison, and see if they are indeed the same size, because they look like it to me. I think that's the same size, y'all. Even with the height. I would say that this looks a little taller. It could be. Once I look at the online measurements, I'll know for sure if the baguette is a little taller or not. It kind of looks like it is. Yeah, I'm interested to see if there's like a ½ inch difference, excuse me, or any difference in the measurements on these, or if it's really just the detail and how they're actually made and stitched, and the feet. So you all, I did an unwrapping and unboxing of 2 different colors in the Florentine leather baguettes. Showed you very detail of the differences in the colors, the zippers. I did a comparison to the actual shoulder bag so that you can see the differences in the shoulder bag compared to the baguette. And also you got to look at the Saffiano leather in the color black as well. But for this video, I would say that was a pretty good amount of information to leave you all with, so that if you do decide that you would like a smaller bag like the baguette or the shoulder bag, you have this information to take with you to see which one you would prefer to add to your collection, whether it's the baguette or the shoulder bag, or if it's the natural baguette or the red. Other colors that came in, I believe, was navy blue and black. And it may come in ecru as well. I'm not sure. But I believe I recall the natural, not sure if they still have the chestnut, black, and the red. So I don't think you can go wrong with any of those colors. But these were the 2 colors that I picked for this particular silhouette and leather to add to my collection. So I hope you all like this video. Feel free to comment. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have these in your collection or would want to add any of them to your collection. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much, you all, for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.